Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. I am officially on summer break, so today I will be doing a brief garden update for y'all. I haven't done one in a while, so even though today is the 1st of June, this garden update is going to be for May. All right, so you can see what is still growing on and the changes that I recently made in my garden. So upon exiting my washroom, I have one of my pigeon pea plants right here. It's getting bigger daily. Then I have my bananas that have been growing so fast. If you've been watching the videos, guys, you remember this banana when it just came out. And here's another one. I still have my 55-gallon half a barrels here, hosting peppers, pigeon peas, yeah, and a few marigolds. So the newest additions are these 5-gallon buckets that I have some pigeon pea plants in. I want them to grow so I can groom them to the height of this fence right here. The pigeon peas in the barrels, they have been growing great, and I have already harvested peppers from some of the pepper plants. And these are 3 of my volunteer tomatoes, and these are actually indeterminate tomatoes, which I do prefer because they will just continue growing for you and producing tomatoes. So whenever I need a tomato, I can just come out, get 1 or 2 if it's there. The indeterminate ones, no, the determinate ones will just grow to a certain height and then they will stop producing. So going forward, I believe I will be investing in more of the indeterminate tomatoes. Yeah, I am not really particularly interested in any specific variety. All I know, tomato is a tomato. More bell peppers, sweet pepper, pigeon peas. My ginger is all ready to be harvested. I'm not sure when I will be doing that, but very soon. And this green onion is about to give me some seeds. I have beet greens, and here I have some more green onions just coming up. Back there I have bell peppers, cherry tomatoes, some mint, volunteer papaya, and all of these tomatoes, guys, I mean every single one of these tomatoes, they are volunteer tomatoes. And I have my pineapples growing like forever. I'm just gonna leave them and let them be. These 5-gallon buckets, they actually replaced the blocks that I had here. I needed the blocks to do another projects. So now I have just peppers, bell peppers, sweet peppers in them. In this area I have bell peppers, beans, and these marigold plants, they are great trellises for your beans, guys, going forward. Growing forward, yes, or going forward, you can actually grow them together. I have basil, thyme, more peppers, and I can see okras coming out. These okras were planted on April 7th. This year we're now in June, and they're growing great. More peppers, basil, and bell peppers. Now this is my newest tomato patch, or tomato area, whatever you want to call it, but this is where I will be growing my tomatoes, growing, I keep saying going forward, which is a good thing, going or going forward. And as I said, guys, all of my tomatoes, they're actually volunteers. They're growing great. The okras were moved from another area. I will be showing you where they were. And the tomatoes are coming up. This is a Scotch bonnet pepper that I transplanted from another area earlier this year. It's not doing well, but it's growing. And these are some cucumbers that was also transplanted here. I actually have 2 of them growing on this old trellis that I made with some chicken wire and the old bathroom shelf post. So I just added the chicken wire so the cucumber can actually trellis itself, because these vines, they are very strong vines. In all of these black pots I have bell peppers. We do use a lot of bell peppers in our kitchen. I don't know what this is. I planted it here. It smells good. Got it from a family member, but it really looks good, and I don't know what it is. As I said, this is some mint. All right, so behind me I have my barrels that I used to create this new area. So in this area I had sorrel, okras, and some peppers, and because of the chicken problem, yes, I created this new area. So in the half a barrels I have these black pots that is currently hosting my bell peppers. As I said, guys, we do use a lot of bell peppers in our kitchen. Here's another mint, and there's sweet pepper and basil and more sweet peppers in these pots, guys. And basil. I am not sure if this is a cayenne pepper or a sweet pepper. I don't know. I haven't gotten any food from it yet, but I know I will be soon. Now in this barrel I have some turmeric. I actually planted some turmeric in here last year, transplanted rather. They grew and then they dried down. I haven't taken any out yet. And I had some red Russian kale. They are drying up. See, more bell peppers. And in the middle of these barrels, 4 of them I have Scotch bonnet pepper, and I also have 2 in the end ones up there. And these are the sorrel that I took out from this area where the barrels are, and I transplanted them over there. Underneath that bottle I have a Scotch bonnet, and I have another one underneath that one. Here is a pigeon pea, volunteer papaya, pigeon pea, one of my coconut plants. In these 5-gallon barrels I sowed some sorrel seeds, let me see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, 4 days ago. And as you can see, they're all popping out already. Over here I sowed some corn, some sweet corn, nothing yet. There's an avocado plant that I started from seed, and I have more pigeon pea. I will be having a lot of pigeon pea the end of this year by the grace of God. My sweet potato still growing. I threw some soil on this because I want to, you know, harvest sweet potato soon. And over here as well, I think I will be putting some more soil, and then I'll be adding some more sweet potato vines over there. This is my lemon plant that I started from seed 2 years ago. And this is one of my sweet mint. Another one is there. I have my celery growing back. This is a volunteer lemon, lime, or orange. I don't know what it is. I have my stackable pots from the dollar store. I will be propagating some mint in these stackable pots, yes. And I can probably give to family and friends or sell it. I recently sowed some more red Russian kale, cantaloupe, watermelon, and more sweet peppers. This is a rosemary that I propagated a few months ago. I actually did 2 of them, only this one survived. I have these pots ready and waiting for something to put in them, and of course more volunteer tomatoes. And here I have my lemon grass, one there and one here. And this aloe vera plant was given to me by Miss Ogle at work. Thank you so much if you're watching. But do you remember this aloe vera you gave me? Yes, that one, that tiny teeny one. It has now given me a little baby one there and another little baby one here. Okay? So thank you so much, Miss Ogle. All right, so I think I did well. That was pretty short. Very, very short. I wanted it to be short. My bell peppers, they're just growing so great. All right, guys, so there we have it. And this area now is actually a little butterfly garden that I'm trying to create. And I think it's coming on fine. I need to clean out back there in a little while, but that's just about it for now, guys. So thank you so much again for watching. I really appreciate you being here with me today to see what is still growing on in my garden. All right, so be blessed, have a great day, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye.